All right, we're gonna take a hot lap in a 1969 Mustang Mach 1. This is a pretty nice car, real clean. It's got a Marti report it comes with. This one has a upgraded 351 Windsor in it with all the Edelbrock goodies. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake and carburetor, roller rockers. It's got an automatic overdrive transmission.
391 gears.
Yeah, 391 positive traction, 9-inch. Really neat car.
AC.
Yeah, it's got air conditioning, power steering, disc brakes, like a little hood scoop there. Sounds good. It's got a nice dual exhaust, the 4 tips coming out the back.
Got the louvers on the rear window.
Yep, rear window louvers. The back seat's kind of been converted to a stereo. That could be put back though, not that big of a deal. Thing runs good.
Yeah, it's got good power. Better than I thought. Oh. That's because it's got all that Edelbrock stuff on it.
Yep. Got Magnum wheels on it with the raised white letter BFGs on there. Pretty cool. Woo! It's a runner. Here we come up to the picture spot. Here's a classic Mustang 1969 Mach 1. Really cool looking car. I mean, this is straight out of the late 60s, early 70s. This was the look. It had the front and rear spoilers. This one's got the, just like the Boss 302. It's got the grills over the back window, the shades, the black center in the back there. The scripting on the side is cool. This is like, kind of glows in the dark. It's reflective. So when you put your headlights on it, just like the Boss 302, you can see it driving by at night. Got the black hood. They did that to reduce glare when they race these cars. I learned that. It's pretty interesting. Nice paint quality. It's got black vinyl interior, real clean. Of course, it's got the Magnum wheels on there with the BF Goodrich TA radials. This one has a couple of upgrades. It's got Global West tubular control arms up front, which is nice, makes it handle a little bit better, a little more modern. Inside, it's got pretty much a stock interior except for the B&M shifter there, Quicksilver shifter. It also has little cup holders, which you can get nowadays. Everybody likes those. The rear seat's been converted to a kind of a stereo system. They didn't chop it up too bad, so you could put everything back if you wanted to. Stereo's down below. That folds down, access to your amplifier and your sub and all that. Headliner's in good shape. Dashboard's real nice, no cracks or anything like that. Of course, it's got the vintage air conditioning system. It's got a little mock-up radio there that's just to fill the hole, so they didn't cut the dash. Some aftermarket gauges, which are kind of necessary. Got a phone hook up there, so you can hook up your phone, listen to music. Nice classic body style for the Mustang. Here's the power plant in the 69 Mach 1. This one has an upgraded 351 Windsor in it. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, MSD ignition, vintage air conditioning. You can see a lot of new components in there. It's got some brand new KYB shocks, new wires, new solenoid. Just all the little things you notice when you're looking at a car under the hood. Nice and shiny. It's got a choke on the carburetor so the thing fires up real nice when it's cold. Got fan shroud, transmission cooler. You can tell that somebody really enjoyed this car and had some pride of ownership. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice Ford rumble going on there. Hopefully you can hear me okay with the wind. We're just finishing up with those nasty fires here in California. Good running car. Nice throaty sound. Dual exhaust going all the way out the back. Just the way you like it. Yeah, sounds good, man. Well, if you want to check this beauty out in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. We'll be happy to show you around. Thanks for watching.